Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about the English alphabet and the letter names and the letter sounds. We have capital letters and lowercase letters. We use capital letters at the beginning of words that start a sentence, or words like names, names of restaurants, names of movies. We use lowercase letters for the rest. 26 letters in the alphabet. There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and we make the sounds of the vowels by opening the mouth. So, A, E, I, and so forth. There are 21 consonants. The consonant sounds are made by using the lips, teeth, and tongue. So we have B, B. C says K, S. D says D, and so forth. So first we have A. So we have a capital A and a lowercase a. And A has 3 sounds. A, like apple, A, like table, and Ah, like father. A, Ah. E is the second vowel, and it has 2 sounds. Like elephant, and E, like eraser. E. The vowel I has 2 sounds. I, like pig, and I, like ice. I. O has 3 sounds. Ah, like octopus. O, like orange, and oo, like movie. Ah, o, oo. U has 3 sounds. Umbrella. Oo, Superman, and bull. Now we get to the consonants. Some consonants have more than 1 sound. B has 1 sound. It is a B. You make the B by putting your lips together. B. Backpack. B. C has 2 sounds. We have K, like computer, K. And we have S, like ice, S. K, S. D has 1 sound. D. Dog. D. F has 1 sound. F. Folder. F. G has 2 sounds. G, like glue, and J, like giraffe. G, J. H has 1 sound. Highlighter. J has 1 sound. J, juice. J. K has 1 sound. K, like kiss. K. L says ooh, like language. Ooh. You put your tongue on the back of your tooth and say ooh. M says like marker. N says n, like notebook. N. P says like pencil. Let's put your lips together and blow air out. Pencil. Q is used usually with a U, and it says question. R says R, like ruler. R. S has two sounds. It can say S, like soda, S, or it can say Z, like husband. Z, S, Z. T says T, like tape. T. V says V, like volleyball. V. Put your teeth on the lower lip. V. W says W, like water. W. X says X, like exit. X. Y says Y, I, or E. Y, yogurt. E, gym. I, fly. And E, party. Y, I, E. And Z says Z, like zipper. So these are the letters of the alphabet. Go through them, practice them, and you'll learn how to use each sound in words. As you practice, you'll see how they make different sounds. Great job, guys.